The side button is the power button located just above the camera button. You can also use it to manually put your iPhone to sleep or wake it up when auto lock is turned on. This is not a Touch ID button like the one available on some iPad models. This button is also used to activate Emergency SOS. Press it 3 times quickly to turn on SOS or Guided Access mode if it's enabled on your iPhone. How this works depends on the settings you've configured on your device. The side button can also activate Siri. If Apple Intelligence is enabled, press and hold the button until you see the animation border appear on the screen. If Apple Intelligence is turned off, Siri will activate without the animation. Just make sure Siri is enabled in Settings. Open the Settings app, scroll to Apple Intelligence and Siri, tap Talk to Siri, and turn on the toggle for Press Side button for Siri. The third use of the side button is taking screenshots. Press the volume up button and the side button at the same time to capture a screenshot. This is the default screenshot shortcut on all iPhone models. Please like to support me, subscribe for new video updates, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below.